There's some magic happening inside an apartment on Edgewood Street in Northeast Washington. Rick Daniels and his team are running a printing press out of this apartment. You see, Mr. Daniels is a natural-born storyteller.
They drive all the bullies out of Little Remy School. I can come up with a storyline in a matter of seconds. I'll wake up in the morning and actually write a book.
He's written 42 books. All of the characters are based on some very special friends.
I started making up stories about Ike and Mike, Lucky, Sabby, and Timothy, Timaway, all my stuffed animal friends.
More than just characters in a book, they're a tool he uses to educate kids about bullying, something Mr. Daniels has dealt with his whole life.
I was diagnosed with lead poisoning, and the doctors told my mom and dad it would slow down my learning ability, and it did. I struggled with reading and writing my whole time in school. I'm 68 now, and I still struggle with reading and writing.
But he says he thinks kids today have it even worse.
These kids hold it in, they hold it in, and it's blasted all over the internet.
That's where the books come in. The characters find themselves in all kinds of sticky situations, like on the Metro or in downtown D.C., places where they can relate, and they have to figure a way out.
I think it helps to write a book that the kids can all relate to, and also teach them something.
These characters really jump off the page when Mr. Daniels and his team do puppet shows at local schools.
Mike tells Ike, spell cow.
What I like the most is when they come up to me and they say, "You got bullied too as a kid?" I said, "Yes, I did." And some of them hug me, they give me high fives.
He says he won't stop until every child knows they matter.
If we can make a small dent, each time we go to a school, each time we encourage a kid not to bully, we think we're making a difference. So that's why it's important that we get into as many schools as we can.
And experience, I saw that, and those kids were there eating that puppet show up. And here are examples of some of the books that he's got. He has got dozens of these. You can see Remy and Ike and Mike.
He's
and here,
quite talented.
And he's really talented.
Love and kindness, not
for someone
hate.
who really didn't get training for this. And these books teach about more than just bullying. You know, kids can also learn counting and their colors with this as well. So if you would like to purchase one of these books, and there are plenty to choose from, believe me, we've got a link to Rick Daniels' website on our NBC Washington app. Just go there and search Harris.
He's a good artist.
Yeah,
He's a
he
good
really is.
illustrator.
He needs to be in every school, particularly now with the issue of bullying and
Not a
everything
bad
else.
idea.
These are great.
Yeah.
These are
Thanks.
great.
What a great hero.
Can't put it down. But he signed
gotta
this.
pay.
He signed this to you, which is sweet.
Oh, then you better put that one down.
that one.
All right. Get out of here. Give it to me.
Thank you, Leon. All right, let's turn to Doug. And boy, we have had all over the place this week, but we're ending another Friday with some wet weather.
Yeah, we've got it, but not in the D.C. metro area. That's a good news. So today we'll go down rain-free unless we get some rain around 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the metro. That's where we could see it. Right now, it's all to the north and west. That's where we have that severe thunderstorm watch. And right now, it's all about Frederick County, Virginia, Clark County, Virginia. That's where we've seen the strongest storms. And let's take a look and show you what I'm talking about here. Areas in pink: Loudoun County, Frederick County, Maryland, and Fauquier County, and points to the west, including Frederick County, Virginia, all under that severe thunderstorm watch. Not D.C., not areas to the south. I'm not worried about severe weather here. This is the area we continue to be worried about. This is the storm that brought golf ball size hail. This was a monster of a storm that's really starting to weaken now. Here's the next storm that's taken its place. No warning just yet, but if we did see a severe thunderstorm warning, it would be for Frederick County again. That would include the Winchester area. This one's moving not fast at all, about 15, 20 miles per hour. That's it. It could dump some very heavy rain in that area. More storms up around the Martinsburg area. Not a ton of lightning with this one, but some moderate to heavy rain right along I-81 there. Now back to the west. Tracking this line, I think once this moves into the severe thunderstorm watch area, we could see a little resurgence here of some of these thunderstorms, so watch out for that. Mostly around the 7, 8 o'clock hour in and around the Shenandoah Valley. You folks around Front Royal maybe getting in on some of the action. Now, something else to think about, and this is what we're talking about. Slow-moving storms producing a lot of rainfall, and we have a flash flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. Frederick County, Virginia, Clark County, Jefferson County, and points to the west. Again, not in D.C., but we do have a chance for showers overnight tonight, and then another chance of just plain rain tomorrow night into Sunday. Amelia, we're going to be talking about the chances for rain, but the severe threat really diminishing after today.
Yeah, it does as far as the gusty winds and the hail are concerned, but still some heavy rain out there tomorrow night could certainly impact plans. But I'm going to time out the future weather for you coming up. First, let's get you through your planner here. At 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's mild.